like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyur and you are watching Technical Crafter. Okay, so today's video is little different. So today I am going in a tech conversation, means the video will be related to tech. And today I am going to show you 5 Google features which is unknown to all. So let's do it. So my first point is Google featured games. So to open this, go to Google, then type Tic Tac games. You can also type snake games and etc, etc. So here you can see I am choosing the cross one. Now I have tap in the middle. So let's play. So here you can see I have one. You can also select the round one, but I am selecting the cross one because I like it the most. So my next point is how to play dinosaur game. I have took this idea from the Google feature games and it is very interesting, but your net should be off in this case. So let's go to Chrome, then make sure your internet connection is off. Then if your home page is not coming as mine, then tap on the home tab, then click on the dinosaur, then take the fun. So my next point is how to view animals in 3D. So it's very interesting and you can judge animals by this process. And for that I have gone to Google, then I'm going to search tiger. You can search any animal. Sorry, my internet was off. I have on it now. And I'm typing a tiger. You can type any animal what you would like. So now scroll down, then you can see view in 3D. So tap there. And now it's came and you can see it came in 3D. And this is a new feature of Google. So take the fun. So my next point is how to text with one hand. It's very interesting. So for it, I'll go to Google, then just tap on the search button, then slide it, then it's done. And you can adjust it also. Tap on the button I have tapped, then you can adjust it, the size of the bar. So it could be done like this. So now let's go to the another point. So my next point is how to speak with Pikachu. So it's very interesting. So let's go to Google, then type talk with Pikachu. You can do it directly from Google Assistant, but I'm showing it like this because many people don't know how to open Google Assistant. So scroll down, then you will see Pikachu, then a bar, then Google Assistant. So tap there and you can read what is written in the down. So tap in the try it button and talk to him. Here you can message him and also you can talk him. Here I am typing how are you. So listen his reply. Whoa, what a great reply. So now talk to him. Oh, sorry guys, it's not child story. I was going to Tell me a story. Oh, sorry. Tell me a story. What a great response. So you can talk with him in your free time. Pikachu, sing a song. Can you sing? No problem. He's singing. That's a great response. गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बता देना, और प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, और वो जो लाल वाला सब्सक्राइब का बटन है उस पर सैनिटाइज़र लगाओ या साबुन लगाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन दब जाना चाहिए। और आज के लिए बस इतना ही।